अस्सलाम वालेकुम प्यारे बच्चों, वेलकम टू योर फेवरेट यूट्यूब चैनल एफास एजुकेशनल। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न 4-letter words. The words having 4 letters called 4-letter words. Now look, listen very carefully and repeat with me. गौर से देखिए, सुनिए और मेरे साथ दोहराइए। TAKE take, FAKE fake, SAME same, CAME came, LAKE lake, HATE hate, MAKE make, SAKE sake, BAKE bake, CAKE cake, WAVE wave, SAVE save, HAVE have, GAVE gave, HIDE height, TIDE tide, TIME time, LIME line, WIFE wife, FIVE five, LINE line, MINE mine, MICE mice, FINE fine, FILE file, LIKE like, KITE kite, SITE site, WINE wine, WISE wise, TICK tick, KICK kick, SICK sick, SHIP ship, BALL ball, CALL call, TALL tall, HALL hall, FALL fall, MALL mall, FIND find, MIND mind, KIND kind, WIND wind, MILK milk, SILK silk, FOOL fool, WOOL wool, MOON moon, COOL cool, TOOL tool, LOOM loom, FOOL fool, BOOM boom, DUCK duck, LUCK luck, BACK bag, HACK hack, LAND land, BAND band, SAND sand, SENT scent, FELL fell, SELL cell, HELL hell, BELL bell, MELT melt, FELT felt, TELL tell, WELL well, KING king, SING sing, WING wing, RING ring, BIRD bird, CURD curd, DUST dust, MUST must, LAST last, CAST cast, SLOW slow, FLOW flow, SHOW show, GROW grow, GLOW glow, BLOW blow, FACE face, SAFE safe, CLUE clue, BLUE blue, TEXT text, NEST nest, FEES fees, DER deer, FULL full, BULL bull, TALK talk, WALK walk, EYES eyes, GUIS guys, SEEK seek, WEEK week, FEEL feel, HEEL heel, BEAK beak, WEAK weak, FEAR fear, DAAR dear, PRAY pray, GRAY grey, CUTE cute, MUTE mute। प्यारे बच्चों, आप इन 4 लेटर वर्ड्स को अपने कॉपी में लिखकर भी याद कीजिए। फिर मिलेंगे अगले वीडियो में। थैंक यू।